Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is Passé Récent. Passé Récent. What do you mean by Passé Récent? Passé Récent is recent past, or we are using this tense for the actions which have just happened. So let's discuss it in details. First of all, the formula. So the formula for Passé Récent is subject plus venir. Venir means to come, but here the meaning is different. Venir, but in present tense only, followed by the preposition the and infinitive, which means base form. Subject, venir the plus infinitive. So this is the formula for Passé Récent. Let's discuss this with the help of examples. As I said, we are using this tense when we want to say just happened. So, first example, je viens de manger. As I said that we need to use present tense only, so present form only. What is the different conjugation of venir? Okay. These are vient, 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 venons, venez, and viennent. Vient, vient, venons, venez, viennent. So we are using these forms in these examples. Je viens de manger. I just ate. I just ate. Infinitive form, present form of venir, and subject, right? And the is also there. Je viens de manger. I just ate, right? Next example. Ils viennent d'arriver. Viennent, last form, because we are using they here. Subject is they, plural, last form. Ils viennent d'arriver. They have just arrived. They have just arrived. Elle vient de finir ses devoirs. Devoir is homework. She just finished her homework. She just finished her homework. Elle vient de finir ses devoirs. Elle vient de finir ses devoirs. Right? Next example. Nous venons de regarder un film. Venons de regarder. What is regarder? To watch. We just watched a film. We just watched a film. Nous venons de regarder un film. I hope this is clear. Okay, let's do two more examples. This is how to ask question in Passé Récent. Est-ce que tu viens de manger? Est-ce que tu viens de manger? What do you mean by this? Did you just eat? Did you just eat? Est-ce que tu viens de manger? Next example. Vient-il d'arriver? Vient-il d'arriver? Here we are using ask, and here we are using inversion method, right? The ways of asking questions, right? Vient-il d'arriver? Have they or did they just arrive? Did they just arrive? Next example. Est-ce, again we are using est here. Est-ce qu'elle vient de finir ses devoirs? Did she just finish her homework? Did she just finish her homework? Est-ce qu'elle vient de finir ses devoirs? Correct? This is how we are asking question in Passé Récent. Let's make some negation. Je ne viens pas de manger. Viens. pas. Je ne viens pas de manger. I just didn't eat. I just didn't eat. Right? Next example. Ils ne viennent pas d'arriver. Viennent, because this is ill. They just didn't arrive. They just didn't arrive. Il ne vient pas d'arriver. Correct? Next, actually these negative questions are not that much normal, or we don't use it in these when construction, but still we are just discussing passé composé, that's why we are just sharing it, right? Elle ne vient pas de finir ses devoirs. Elle ne vient pas de finir ses devoirs. She just didn't finish her homework. She didn't just finish her homework. Elle ne vient pas de finir ses devoirs. I hope this is clear. I have given the same example in interrogative as well as in negative, so for the better understanding. I hope this is clear. Let's discuss few more examples. Before that, I have written the forms of venir for your convenience in present form, right? Vient, 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 veno, vené, viennent, right? Tu viens de lire un livre. Vient de and base form. Lire is to read. Livre is book. You just read a book. You just read a book. Tu viens de lire un livre. Tu viens de lire un livre. Right? Next example. Nous venons de visiter le musée. What is musée? Museum. Visiter, to visit. We just visited the museum. We just visited the museum. Nous venons de visiter le musée. Nous venons de visiter le musée. Correct? Venir de. New form. Ils viennent de rencontrer leurs amis. Rencontrer. To meet. They just met their friends. They just met their friends. Ils viennent de rencontrer leurs amis. Ils viennent de rencontrer leurs amis. Right? Viennent. Il form. Elle vient de cuisiner le dîner. Cuisiner is to cook. Dîner is dinner. She just cooked dinner. She just cooked dinner. Elle vient de cuisiner le dîner. Elle vient de cuisiner le dîner. Next example. Vient-il? I have written it in inversion form. Vient-il de regarder un match? To watch, match is match. Vient-il de regarder un match? He just watched a match. He just watched a match. Vient-il de regarder un match? I hope Passé Récent is clear. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.